Alright guys, welcome back to the Xhausted channel. I'm Steven. The guy holding the camera is absolutely awesome. His name's Brandon.
No.
And we're the Xhausted channel. And today we're going to take this fine American automobile that is shaped and colored just like a red brick.
That's pretty much what it is.
We are going to tape up all the seams and take off everything that we can to get the best possible gas mileage, because gas is high and it's relevant. So we're going to tape up the wheels, tape up all the little fins, try to get rid of some
everything
stuff, flip the mirrors back, blow the tires up, and send that thing at 60 mile an hour on cruise and get an average over 10 miles baseline and then taped up. So we'll see what the real difference is. We're going to do some of that stuff off like ecomodder.com. No hypermiling though, just a 60 mile an hour cruise test, like highway testing, like you're taking a trip. So that's the goal today. What you think, Brandon?
I think let's get to it.
How much tape you think it's gonna take?
Whew, you gonna take a bet? What do we got? What kind of tape are we working with here? Like painter's tape. Painter's tape, like 2 inch.
Tape. I think I got the wide one.
3 inch.
2.5 or 3. Yeah.
Maybe about 2 yards or two rolls. I mean.
Yeah. Might need some more. But we'll see. We'll get it done and
leave your guess down in the comments.
That's right. Yeah. We'll see how many.
Yeah. Don't skip forward yet. Just we'll.
And then we'll see how far we got to ride to pay for a roll of tape.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll be some cool math.
I don't know. It tastes pretty high now. So.
All right, so let's go ahead and get on the road.
Alright, we're in the vehicle now. We're in the hoe.
We are slowly speeding up. As you can see, before I was hypermiling, and my average econ was 18.4 miles per gallon. But for today's test, we're going to reset that. We got our cruise set on 60 mile an hour, and then we're going to set our trip meter for 10 miles.
I'm hoping I'm getting it.
There we go. Alright. So now we're going to go 10 miles and see what our average MPGs is at the end of the 10 miles. That should give us a decent highway calculation.
And we do have AC on.
Yeah, it's hot.
It's a warm day, but it shouldn't matter, because we're gonna have AC on both ways. It ain't gonna matter.
Yeah, so it shouldn't be a real influencing factor. Yeah. We're going all aero afterward.
Yeah.
What it picks up, it picks up.
I can definitely hear a lot of wind noise, so it's gonna be definitely decent to see.
Yeah. Well, that antenna's what you're listening to.
That too. And I'll hear some back there too.
Oh yeah. It's gonna be sealed up like a coffin.
Yeah.
Except for the doors we get in and out of. There's not much we can do.
Yeah. I tape it through the window.
Yeah. Other than that, that's it. I guess we could do that.
Yeah.
Bo Duke style.
Yeah. Alright. We'll catch y'all at the end of this test.
Yeah, man. I just thought it was noteworthy that my man back here behind us was drafting off of us the whole time. He's a really good motorcyclist.
Oh,
he was the one saving the gas.
Yeah.
I'm bored as a mess.
Yeah.
We have been 3.2 miles.
Woohoo!
And it seems like it's taken an eternity in this Mach 1 of 60 mile an hour.
In the 70 mile an hour zone.
What do you want to do, Brandon?
Just sit here for a minute.
My salsa makes all the pretty girls want to dance and take off their underpants. My salsa.
Please help us.
I can have fun anywhere I go.
Alright, Steven. How you doing on fuel?
About a half a bottle.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're a long ways from out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's good.
We got 9.8 miles gone.
Oh, we're almost there now.
And we have averaged 19.2 miles per gallon.
In a brick.
In a red brick. Exactly at 10 miles.
Oh.
So 19.2. That's our number. Everybody remember that. 19.2.
19.2.
Now we're going to find the easiest location, turn around, and go back home.
And taper up.
Taper up like a... So we're back.
I'm
going to get Brandon on the tape roll. He's going to tape up all these little seams and top of the grill. We're going to leave the bottom of the grill because it's got to breathe a little bit. She's kind of old.
Yeah.
And
it'll be right
get rid of the license plate, get rid of the wipers, the antenna, possibly the roof rack, depending on how that acts, and tape up the wheels. and then we're gonna send it again and see how it does. And we're gonna take the stuff out, the trash and everything.
Yeah.
Lightweight it a little bit. So.
And this is the same day. He just got hot in the long sleeves.
Yeah.
I told him to change beforehand, but he said, "Nah, I'm good."
Yeah, I was wrong. He
Yeah.
was right. Happens all the time.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna throw you up on the tripod and get to work.
So we're finishing up the tape job on this thing.
Yeah.
Brandon act like he been taping a long time. He got some skills with the tape roll. And we about to take off. And ain't she a beaut, mate?
Yeah, let's check her out.
Ain't she a beaut?
Let's check her out. Man, look at them wheels, man. That's something you'd see on salt flats, right there. Yeah, the Bonneville salt flats, yeah. We got her all taped up quite nicely, like. Didn't do the back tire or back wheels.
They're so dusty. I don't think it's and I don't think it's as beneficial as the front, so it'd be cool. We should see improvements.
We ended up using about a full roll because that was about full when we almost did that, and then Steven took mine, so I started using that one.
Some more off of the other one,
and then,
so at least a whole roll.
Yeah, we used about a whole roll. So if you chose one roll, you won. Yeah. Congratulations.
Yeah, that's right.
I don't know what you won, but you won.
Yeah. After I take up this license plate, we will get ready.
All right. Hopefully it all stays. If not, we're just gonna be getting a litter in charge.
We'll pick it up. We're good citizens.
Yeah. Oh man, that ain't gonna stay. We'll see.
Add
all right.
some to it.
We'll see after 10 miles. We'll stop on the side of the road and check her out. What do you think?
That sounds good.
All right. All right. Catch you on in a second. All right. This is the sealed test. Oh yeah, Steven.
We're running 57. I'm getting it up to 60. And holding. Perfect. Dead center.
So we are
reset.
At 60.
Reset that. And then reset this. And we are on for 10 miles.
10 miles from this point, which is about the same spot as where we were before.
Pretty much dead even. So,
actually, it is a lot quieter.
It is quieter.
It's a lot quieter. I wasn't expecting it to be this quiet.
Me either. That antenna's noisy.
I don't even know.
Wipers.
Yeah, the wipers going on. Fiber's gone, antenna gone, all of it gone. But I would like to put the
Folks, already 19.9.
Oh,
We are saving money. 20. Good gracious. We have crested a number. We're climbing a hill and it's still 19.9. That's great.
we are
We're gonna average good here. So I was at the grocery store earlier and I looked at this guy and I was putting all my stuff in the truck and I was like, you doing alright? And he said, pretty good. And I was like, is that like kinda good? Or is that like some good and some bad? And he was like, I think it just means okay. And I was like, oh, he blew my mind, right? We're averaging 20.6 and we are 4.8 miles into the trip. But we got the bridge coming and we'll be climbing for a while.
yeah, we've been climbing for a little bit. We'll start to climb now.
We'll see. We'll see how we do.
Yeah, a little update. We got a little bit of tape.
Yeah, we
coming
messed
off.
up.
That was my side. That's my fault, more than likely. But on this side, it look like we're good. I can't see anything else that we got, so
We're blind.
yeah, we're blind at this point. What miles?
right.
What miles we at it right now?
20.6.
No,
and,
no. How many miles have we been? Or left?
5.6 miles.
Okay,
far.
so we're halfway through.
a little past half.
We're halfway.
Oh, we got a major flapper.
Oh no!
Sweet Jesus, what a sail! What a sail!
Oh, no.
Hey, we're linear. We're linear. We're good. We're good.
All right,
It's okay. It's better.
breaking news.
It was a flag.
We were.
It was so bad.
Oh man! All right, we'll catch up with y'all when we're almost there.
Alright, we are at 9.8 miles and we are close to concluding the test and we averaged 20.4 miles per gallon right now.
That was almost an MPG.
A little over. I think it was 19.2.
No, it was 19.2. Yes, right.
Yeah,
That's right. That
yeah.
is. Wow.
10 miles.
Yeah.
20.5. 20.5 right at the bottom of the hill.
I don't know if we can see it.
Well, back to 20.4. But yeah, that's good.
Still,
That's good. We'll take it.
that was
We'll take it.
that was an improvement for
Dude.
like what, $8 a tape. Wonder how long.
Yeah, $8 worth of tape.
Yeah, I wonder how long it'll stay.
Yeah.
Check out our stragglers on the side of the road here. Just past our test. Hey man, they all stayed.
This is not connected to nothing.
How did that stay there? That is awesome.
Miracle. We are not litterers.
No,
This stuff is flapping real bad.
it's flapping pretty good. Oh, yeah. Even that. Or,
Yeah.
Did you do that?
I did.
Okay.
I did the vertical. That helped.
That did help.
That helped.
Okay, yeah, you did do it.
Everything. Oh, we got some real stragglers down there.
Yeah. It's not bad though. I mean, alright, we're taking all this off and we'll meet you at the shop. Meet you back at the shop.
Wrapped up.
Alright. In the
In
driveway.
conclusion, we have come to 20.4 miles per gallon. This is a bank receipt.
Yeah.
We're fancy around here. We started at 19.2 and we worked out to 20.4. 1.2 miles per gallon of improvement, which is the same as 6.3%. And that would add 33 miles per tank to the truck because it's 26 gallons of gas. So if you showed 300, now you show 333.
Yeah.
That's pretty sweet.
Yeah.
That's a
just,
huge jump.
yeah, for $8, that's not bad.
Yeah. It's
But
awesome. Well, you'd go 6.3% further. So if you had 1 gallon and you went 19.2 miles,
yeah.
the taped up version would go 20.4 miles. That's a whole mile and a fifth that you don't have to walk. So that's really good. I'll take that improvement any day of the week. Except for the fact that it's terribly ugly. And we got a lot of funny looks.
It is. You might be able to find a vinyl that
Clear.
That,
If
or
you just
clear.
took like
clear more.
Reynolds wrap.
No, clear packing tape.
Reynolds wrap.
Oh yeah.
Roll
Yeah, the
wrap.
saran wrap. Yeah,
Bam, stick it.
yeah. Poke holes in the grill.
Yeah. That would actually be the way better way to do it. What were we thinking?
Yeah, that would have been so much easier, so much quicker.
We ever thought it hard.
Wow.
Yeah.
Don't do what we did. Get this Ram out and
But
try
anyway, tell us what you want to see. Give us some video ideas if you like this a lot. Tell us to make a boat tail on this thing, and
We'll do it.
We'll try it.
We'll do it. We'll do anything for views. We're horse.
The one thing we forgot, we didn't blow up the tires, so
Yes.
we could have gained, you know, untold amounts. We don't know, but it would have definitely went up some more.
Made them hockey pucks.
That's right, real hard, wedding ding-a-ling. Yeah, real hard. They're rated for 44. We'd have definitely went for 45. Because,
Oh no, we could have gone 60.
we push it.
We could have gone 60. Be alright.
Yeah, I'd have felt the sidewall.
Oh yeah.
Look at the dry rock cracks and judge it off of that.
If you're less than a 16th, you're good.
That's right. Yeah, if your credit card don't fit, yeah, all right. All right, y'all. We are exhausted,
Yep.
and we'll see you on the next video.
Tell me why I feel so alone.
Tell me, why do I still feel so alone? Don't tell me I'm wrong. Been gone for too long, but I'm back again.